today we're just going to be doing a pack with me for vacation video. We're going to be doing it vlog style. Let's see. This week I'm going to be uploading 4 videos because I took a week off. I'm so sorry about that. I just didn't want to give you crappy videos, so I just, I'm just going to upload 4 videos this week. One of them was already uploaded yesterday when you're seeing this video. I'm filming this video on Monday. I'm going to edit it Tuesday and upload it Tuesday, or upload it Wednesday, sorry. And the other video was a random like back to school bedroom haul, and that is going to be uploaded Tuesday, which was yesterday when you're seeing this. I just wanted to take a week off. That's what I already said, but I should have explained this in yesterday's video, but it's okay. Anyway, let's just get into it. So this is a majority of the makeup that I'm bringing. I'm not going to go over everything, but I have 2 highlighters here. They're both by AOA Studios. That one's Cupcake. That one's More. This is my e.l.f. Total Face Palette. I have these brushes here. My translucent pressed powder. My liquid foundation. My, this is my moisturizer. And then this is my primer. And this is my under eye cream from Tarte. And then I have this stuff for my eyes. I have my lashes, my brow gel, or pomade, lash adhesive, and a mascara. Then these are all my lippies. Not that. Lip gloss, liquid lip. These 2 are also liquid lipsticks. These ones right here. Oops. Then this is a lip oil, and this is a peach scent. I'm also bringing a eyeshadow palette. You can probably see me better in here. Actually you can't. Whatever. So I have a liquid eyeliner, a pencil liner, and another mascara in my emergency kit in my purse. And then I'm bringing my Athena palette by Bad Habit in my Bold Obsessions palette by Bad Habit. And that is most likely all the makeup that I'm going to bring. Oh, I forgot about my concealer. This is my AOA concealer in Porcelain. So, I'm packing right now, and I forgot my ring light in the living room. So, sorry for the lighting. Now I'm just going to do my clothes. Let's get started. First, this is the bag that I'm bringing. I got it a few years ago for Christmas. It's just an overnight bag. It looks like Vera Bradley, but it's not. The first outfit, let me lay it out. Are just these blue shorts with, hold on, let me sit this down for a sec. With this bodysuit. So that's going to be my first outfit. So then I have these black shorts which are, sorry, a little bit easier to see. They're exactly the same as the blue ones. And then set that down for another sec. I just have it with this baby girl shirt that you guys saw in my back to school haul. And then, hold on, let me set it down again. Okay. I have these little cutoff shorts for bed with this green, olive green cami. That's for bed. And then I'm bringing, sorry, I had to sit you down again. I'm bringing an extra tank top just in case I don't want to wear the baby girl one. Bringing this. Literally, sorry, I can't talk. My vacation is from Friday the 10th to Sunday the 12th. So it's not much of a vacation necessarily, but that's all we do every year is just go to the beach for a weekend. And then my cold outfit is most likely going to be this shirt and either my light wash jeans or these black jeans that I have on, and I'll insert a picture so you can see actually like in full. And that'll be my cold outfit. And then let's get into accessories. So I forgot to show you the inside of my bag here, and it's kind of hard to show you, but like on the bottom there's like a piece of like fabric cardboard that keeps the bottom of the bag the shape. And then here there's like pockets on the side, so that's where like I'll put like what is in there? Oh wow. Anyway, that's where I'll put like my perfumes, my lotions, my hair products, my brush, my toothpaste and stuff on that side. And then there's a pocket in the very front. So I just went ahead and packed my bag for my clothes. Anyway, most likely I'll be taking that stuff out to put in my sneakers. Oh no, I'm not going to put my sneakers in there. I'm just going to put them in the trunk. And then I'm just going to put my flip-flops in there. So I might not even need to take the clothes. So now we're just going to get into the accessories. So far, this is all the accessories that I have. I'll show you, obviously, if I have more. And my ring light, obviously, to go with my little tripod. I have my ring light, and you guys have seen that, so I think we're fine on that. Then I have this necklace here. I got a few years ago for my birthday. My aunt bought it for me a few years ago. More like 4 or 5 years ago. But it's just a soccer ball. And it has little like different colored gems in it. I don't play soccer, but I thought it was pretty, and it reminded me of like a volleyball, even though it's a soccer ball. But sorry about my chewing in the back. I just didn't want to spit out my gum. Then I have these earrings. They're just my hoops. I'm most likely bringing a pair of studs as well, so I have that jewelry. Then I'm going to be bringing these 2 extra cases. This one is my Adeline merch. Sorry about my fingers and my nails. Girls Sporting Girls, it's yellow. Then this one as well. And then this is my crossbody that I'm bringing. Obviously the zippers are open because I haven't used it in a little bit, and I took everything out. That's what it looks like on the inside. And then it has a pocket here, and a pocket here, and a pocket on the back. And then there's also a zipper pocket on the inside and another like pocket. On it, I have a watermelon lemonade hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. And this is just the crossbody that I'm going to be bringing for like when we're just on the beach or the boardwalk, and I don't want my backpack to get ruined. My little mini backpack. And then this is what I'm planning on putting all of this stuff in. I'm probably going to end up wearing my necklace because I don't want it to get like ruined and tangled. So I was trying to put in my tripod, and it's too long for the bag. That even if I like hold it and slide it, it's not gonna fit. So I'm just gonna put this in my book bag, my little purse book bag thing. So I have a checklist here for packing, obviously. So I have all of my makeup done, so I'm just gonna put, sorry, I'm trying to look through my phone to see. Just putting a check there for all of that. And then I don't really need, well, I guess, okay. I'm just gonna do 2 pairs of shorts and then my bed shorts for that. I have 1 t-shirt and then 2 tank tops or whatever. Don't have those yet. Actually, yeah, I do. Whatever. And then my jeans I don't have in there yet. don't have that. This stays in my purse, so, and then my wallet stays in my purse as well. My bathing suit, I don't have that. My laptop is right here, and I'm not packing that yet, so I'm not gonna, this off. That's just like my, bras and underwear. And then, let's see, I have my round sunglasses from Forever 21, maybe a hat, my toothpaste, toothbrush, and then my body wash, and then my perfume and lotion. I usually take 2 when I go on vacation, 1 to keep in my purse, and then 1 in like my luggage. I'm also writing down my glasses case because I need to make sure that I have that, because I don't want my glasses to break. Sorry about my handwriting. I'm not like stabilizing my paper, so it's like whatever. And then what else do I need? I don't need to bring like shampoo or anything because my mom has that. So the first perfume I'm bringing is At the Beach. And then to go with that, because I don't have like the actual like body cream, I got the Beach Nights one, and it literally can go with any scent and smell amazing still. Then I have the Waikiki Beach Coconut set. Just, you know, it smells amazing. It's coconut. It's a set. Then I brought this Aloe Cool Lotion, which is At the Beach scent, to help with like sunburn, because I know I will definitely get sunburnt in the first few hours that I'm there. And then the shower gel that I'm bringing is Beach Nights again, because it can go with basically anything. So that's my body care for the trip. Since in my little like accessory bag I have my hoop earrings, I am just gonna put these in there as well in the front pocket. Sorry for me being really sweaty. It's just like super hot. I'm having like hot flashes right now. I'm sick and it freaking sucks, but I just showed you the earrings, and I'm not going to show you everything like I have been doing, like everything that I've been putting everywhere, but I'll just show you like the end result, because it's just way too much to do, and I think this video is already going to be like 20 minutes long, and I still have to edit it, so we're just going to show you a little bit at a time, not every single thing. So going back to the last clip that I showed you, I'm not going to show you the end result in this video. That's going to be in my vacation vlog, so you'll just have to stick out. What am I saying? Wait for that. I'm just going to end this video because it's just way too long of a video already, and I edit with iMovie. And it's going to take years to download to my phone, and then download to my computer, and then I have to finish editing it on my computer. It's just going to be a long process, and I'm trying to get 4 videos up this week, so I'm not trying to do like 4-hour-long videos, not like a 4-hour-long video, but like 4 1-hour-long videos. It's just hot, and I'm stressed. So tomorrow is gonna be the, I don't know why I stuck my, can't talk, don't know why I stuck my tongue out like that, but tomorrow, yesterday that you're seeing this, but tomorrow for me, is gonna be the back to school haul, and then the day after that, which is Wednesday, the 8th, is gonna be this video, because I usually upload on Wednesdays anyway. There's just gonna be an extra video tomorrow, but yesterday for you guys, which is Tuesday, and then 2 videos on Sunday, hopefully, because I just found out we're not celebrating my birthday until Sunday with the family, so that part of my birthday vlog, my birthday vlog will probably be the later video, and then the vacation vlog will probably be the 12 o'clock on Sunday, and then there'll be a 6 o'clock on Sunday. At least that's what I'm planning now. So let me just stop talking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!